It's like 3 in the morning and I'm having a hard time sleeping. I feel restless. Seems like probably today's gonna have to be a ride day. I don't think I could sit here all day if I tried. Hopefully the weather cooperates with that idea. Well, managed to get a couple more hours sleep. It's about 7 o'clock. Just had a look at the weather. It's not too bad. Probably be a little bit of rain. Well, breakfast was pretty decent. Hot breakfast. Also had yogurt, bunch of orange juice, good coffee. Filled up pretty good. Weather outside, it's kind of cool, but not raining yet. So I'm hoping to get on the road here before the rain starts. Should be a decent day. I just went to put the bag on this fucking thing. That's not supposed to look like that. Well, just got back from Canadian Tire. They had one rack. It's this fucking piece of shit. Super Cycle. Who knows? Maybe it'll be better than the one I had. It doesn't seem to have a weight rating that I can see, so that's slightly concerning. I didn't see anything on the instructions, so I have no idea if this is going to work. So you can see where that broke. Right at the, right around the hole for the fucking bolt and nut. Got it on there. These ones are a bit of a bitch. You can see there's still a slight gap, but I didn't want to wreck my threads, so I just snugged them up, went back and forth between the two sides slowly and just got them as tight as I could without destroying shit. Alright, so yeah, got the new rack on. It's about 9:35. I tested the bag, it fits pretty decent. I had to take off that little springy thing. But it should work out okay. Hopefully this thing fucking holds up. If it doesn't, I'm in big trouble. Yep. Got everything back together. Started raining. Of course it did. Alright, well, hopefully this rack is gonna get me there. Don't fail me, rack, I need you.
Got these two birds of prey. I think that's their nest right there. There you go. I should have taken 10. I'm a fucking idiot. What the fuck is going on? That's where I think Google's trying to take me, under these power lines. This is fucking stupid. I should not have let it fucking do this. Right here is supposed to be a trail. Just nobody ever uses it. Yeah, there's kind of a trail. It's really, really shitty. And fucking watery. Oh my god. Honestly. What the actual fuck? Okay, I have to go back. I just fucking pickled my day. I have to go back. I can't make it this way. Well, we got no choice. We gotta go back to where we came from. Get back to 10 and go around. I just wasted a lot of fucking energy going nowhere. You can see there's what was probably making the tracks. There's a moose. Not too big of a moose, but a moose. Let's see if we can get a little closer. stopped off having some pop and an apple at this gas station. I got out of that shithole. Now I'm going to take 10. The rain has not relented. The guy at the gas station seemed a little concerned that I was just going to hang out. There he is there. But whatever. There's not much I can do besides just keep riding. So. There's no bike. How the hell am I supposed to get over there? So the sign says no bikes, and I'm just gonna fucking bike later. Whatever. Well, I made it. 118 kilometers, 1,000 meters of elevation, and I made it. I'm taking the site reserved for Dr. Sean, apparently. Lots of bikers here, and apparently bike mechanics, so if I have an issue, these guys are the guys to talk to. Well, I just went up to the shower and cleaned off as much as I could. With, at least it was hot water. And, oh shit, I forgot to close this. My tent's all set up, everything's in there. Just gotta open the sleeping bag up. I'm wearing dry clothes, it feels really good. Yep, you can see your breath out here. Well, back at camp, and I'm ready to go to bed. Considering how much work I did today, I feel pretty decent. I went up there and had a beer though, so maybe that's part of the reason. Yeah, we're using our new sleeping bag, -7 degrees. Which is handy because it's going to be about -7 fucking degrees. Not really, but it's going to get down to probably about 2 degrees. In the morning, it's supposed to feel like 2 degrees. So my fucking shit is soaked. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. I checked the weather.